cooking the chicken in 2.5 tablespoons of butter. Now this has been cooking for the last 3 minutes. The chicken is completely cooked, and then we will add the corn. Add 1 liter of chicken stock. You can buy the chicken stock, or you can dissolve 2 chicken cubes in warm water and then make the stock. I'm adding another liter of water, warm water. I kept the spoon on the pan so that it will not splash when I put in the cream corn. This is properly boiling. You can take this scum out of the sieve. I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with 5 teaspoons of water. You have to add little by little and see whether the thickness is enough. I think I can add all. So I've taken the egg. I'm going to whisk this. Okay, and I'm going to add the egg while whisking the soup. So I'm going to add it like a very small stream. Keep whisking it. And we are done.